Hey guys, this isn't a Honda Vision update video, but there is one in the can. I just need to edit it, get it all together, and that should be out soon. This is a quick video that I thought I'd just bang together. This weekend, a club called the Chopper Club had a meet at a pub that's relatively local to me, Rhydypennau in Bow Street. I went along to see what it was all about, and it was really incredible. It blew me away. There was loads of bikes there. I didn't know what to expect, whether there'd be just like a couple of guys and a few bikes or whatever, but there's actually quite a lot going on. They had prizes, they had raffles. They raised over 270 quid for the blood bikes in the area, so that's great. So I just thought I'd bang this together. I got a few clips and stuff, so I hope you like it, and I will see you at the end. You're all right,
Sorry,
you're all right.
tried to get out of it.
No, you're good, you're good.
Good save, because it went and it obviously started going round, and it was like, yeah, they don't mix it up.
down that lane.
So there you go, guys, a very quick and roughly thrown together video of the Chopper Club meet that was at Rhydypennau in Bow Street. I hope you enjoyed it. I haven't really done any editing in it, I've just thrown all the clips together. I was really impressed, and like you said, 270 quid for the blood bikes is not to be sniffed at. Everybody seemed really friendly and really nice, and the pub did a good deal on a double burger and chips, which was great. I hope you enjoyed it. For those of you that normally tune in for the Honda videos, stay tuned because there's one coming very shortly. It's all recorded. The bike's down to its bare frame now, so that's what the next video is going to be about. Anybody who's watching this that might be interested in watching that, yeah, it's me fumbling my way through a restoration, not something I've done before. So maybe stick around and watch some of that if that's the kind of thing you're into. Either way, do the whole YouTube thing and hit all the buttons down below and subscribe and everything. And yeah, from Fort Augustus up in Bonnie, Scotland, I'll say goodbye for now. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks, guys.